Oliver's working on some worms. I'm working on the big red.
You want to get the camera to see how
I can't believe this thing ran.
You want to see bring the camera over here, Dad.
You looking for worms? Are we going to use them for fishing?
No,
No?
because I want these worms to live.
Oh, okay.
Because I just caught
But yeah, the carburetor really needs to sit in a vat. But that's not going to happen. I'm just going to clean the inside. So, yeah, there's the update on that. Power washed it and some with my little Ryobi power washer. And then I put a battery from one of Oliver's power wheels, and they're only like 25 bucks on eBay, so they're cheaper than buying the actual battery for those. So I just solder them on. Try not to spend money, you know. All right, well, clean that carb so this thing will idle. All right, thanks for watching this shit that I share.